Everyone, I'm back today with a haul. It's going to be an Ikea. Managed to get there now that everything's kind of open and we can go to the shops. So I popped to Ikea, to have a look around for different things. But I picked up some organised solution things, tubs and things, which I guess, I'm going to use them for my craft things, so I thought I'd share them on here. I picked up a few other bits I thought I'd share. I'm going to use those most probably in the kitchen and that, but I guess you could use them for craft things. And other bits and bobs. So the first thing I picked up was these. I've actually got these to go for my girls in their room. So they're the little cubes. I don't think they have lids or anything on them, but they're just kind of like material. They've got the zips, and you get in a pack, you get two. They're the sizes you get. So you get two of those, and like a square, two rectangles, and two smaller cubes kind of shapes. So I've actually got these to go in, like I said, my girl's bedroom, but you could use these for, craft bits. If you've got like drawers and things to keep your craft bits separately, you could use them for like inks and paints and things like that. So I just thought I'd share those. So I've got a couple of those. Then picked up this. I will leave the link. I'll try and link everything down below, as well as all the prices for everything. So I picked up this tub. So it comes with two long rectangle spaces inside, and then these three spaces here. I'm not sure. Oh, it might have the measurements on the back. Yeah, so they're the measurements for this. And again, I thought this would be great for, you could put your charms in there, or if you like I crochet, you could put hand crochet bits, like flowers and things, you could store them in that. But I've actually got this for my little boy, for his cars and trains and things, for him to store them in there. So that's that one. And then this was one of the reasons I popped in there, was to get these tubs. So these ones, you get the lids that go on it. I think these were like £4. I'm going to move that. It's just mustard. My husband picked up mustard in there. But yeah, they came with the lids. You didn't have to buy the lids separately. It came as a set, and I'm sure they were, or they could have been £6 actually. These ones might have been £6. But yeah, the measurements for them are here. So that's the measurements for them, and that's the code as well. But like I said, I will try and link everything down below. And it comes as a set, so they'll see that's 1 and 2. And there's the measurements for the lids. And I've got the Kallax unit. I think it's the 4x4 one. And I actually can fit 4 of these in one of the like kind of little cubey sections. I can fit 4 of these stacked on top of each other, which is great for obviously storage. So I have actually got these for my craft things, to organise them. I thought they'd be great for one for stickers, embellishments, one for charms. Just great storage. So like I said, I've bought four of those. I'll just take that out. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I've hidden inside each of those. So I've got 4 of those ones. Then picked up these. I don't know if anyone's used their lint rolls in there, but I find Ikea are the best the best lint rolls. I've tried various other ones, but I do prefer ones from Ikea, and yeah, and they're quite cheap. So I've got those, and then the refillable packs. I stocked up while I was in there and got quite a few of those. The next thing picked up, little treat. They do the little mini dime bars. One of my favourite things. Yeah, so I picked up a bag of those, which have already been opened. Those, and then the next thing I got these for my kitchen, but you could have these for, like I said, your craft room. If you want to store, you could store flowers in these, you could store laces, whatever you want, beads, and these are the glass jars. I've actually got these to store fruit and things like that in the fridge. So again, here's the measurements of this one, and this one's quite tall, kind of like a square sort of shape. So you pay for them individually, like they're separate price. So you pay for the bowl, and then you pay for the lid separately. They did have plastic lids, I think, or this kind of like, I guess, wooden, what is it called now? Say it's wooden lid. And again, I will leave the links down below for prices, because I'm not quite sure for that. So I got that one, and then this one is it's a lot larger rectangle. There's the measurements on the back there. So yeah, and it's glass. I just thought that'd be quite nice for fruit or veg and things for the fridge. And then I've got the lid again for that one. So that's those two. And then I'm just going to move those out of the way. And then the last thing I picked up was these. I'm just going to move you up, guys. I'll do it as slowly as I can. I don't want to make you sick. So it's these tubs. I've got two of them. I can't get it out of there. I wanted to turn it over to show you if it's got the measurements on the back. It doesn't actually state the measurements, but again, I will leave the links down below. I just thought these would be good again for the craft room. They're very large, you can fit quite a few. I thought they'd be quite nice. Oh, it's come out, that one. Get that out of the way, you can have a better look then. Kind of got a lip at the front. It's got two handles at either side. Got it in white. They did have other colours, and I just thought these would be quite nice. I can put my wall in one, laces and things. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to store in these as yet, but I'm sure I will find some things. So they're also handy to have. You know, when you do like seasonal crafting, like Christmas stuff, and you organise I have one of those Raz carts, and you organise all your bits on there. You can put all your Christmas bits in here, so it's all in one bin. Yeah, that sort of thing. Or projects, as you make them, before you sort of do videos, I might store them in here before I show them. Yeah, I'm sure I'll find many uses for those. So I got two at the moment, but I may go back and get some more. So that's all I got. I think that's all I got, like as in organised bits. I've got a few other bits and bobs, kitchen-y bits, but kind of boring. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just thought I'd pop on, do a quick video and give you some organising kind of tips and stuff, and show you what's available in Ikea at the moment. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.